Hi, this is Gunasagaran, Assistant Professor for Mechanical Engineering at SNS Institution. Now we are seeing about refrigerant system. This is a continuity of refrigeration system. Okay. Now we are seeing part 2. Okay. Then first of all we are seeing about introduction. Okay. Yeah, vapor compression systems is widely used for refrigerant method. That release on a refrigerant to move heat from cooler area to warmer one. Okay. Uh, the process begins with a refrigerant vapor being compressed, okay, which rise its pressure and temperatures. Okay. This liquid then flow through a expansion valve causing a drop in pressure. Okay. Finally, the pressure liquids enter the evaporator where it absorbs heat from the surrounding and evaporator, completing the cycle and maintaining the desired cooling effort. Okay. Then first of all we are seeing uh, four important cycles of vapor compression cycle: compression, condensation, expansion, and finally evaporation. Okay, first we are seeing compressor. A compressor is a component in a vapor compression refrigerant system. It plays a role in maintaining the continuous flow of refrigerant throughout the cycle. Okay, note down continuously flow of refrigerant throughout the cycle. It is the main role of the compressors. The main function of compressor to increase the pressure and temperature in the refrigerant. Okay, vapor that comes from the evaporator. At this stage, the refrigerant in a slow pressure, low temperature. Okay, then compressor convert into the gas, high pressure and high temperature vapor. Okay, then it moves the condenser. It is the heat absorbed by the refrigerant. After the refrigerant is compressed to the high pressure, it is come from the high pressure and high temperature. Then here high pressure and high temperature vapor enters the condenser. So it is a this heat rejection process is essential for maintaining the refrigerant cycle. Condenser can be air cooled, water cooled, or evaporating depending on the applications. Okay. Then a reservoir tank is the storage component used in the vapor compression refrigeration system. It is located condenser and before the expansion valve. Okay, then this is a three reserve tank. Then we are seeing fourth one, expansion valve. So its main function is to store the high pressure liquid refrigerant coming from the condenser. This ensures a steady and continuous supply of refrigerant to the expansion valve. Okay, it is particularly used in system with large refrigerant charges or where varying operation condition demand refrigerant bufferings. This is a expansion valve. See that diagram. An expansion valve is critical component in a vapor compression refrigerant system. It is control the flow refrigerant into the evaporator. It is a located to the between the reservoir tank and between evaporator. The primary function of the expansion valve is to reduce the pressure and temperature. It is used for reduce the pressure and temperatures of the high pressure liquid refrigerant before it is entered the evaporators. Okay. Then finally we are seeing about evaporator. evaporator is a key component in a vapor compression refrigeration system where the actual cooling effort takes place. Okay, it is located after the expansion valve and before the compressors. In the evaporator, low temperature, low pressure absorb heat from the surrounding environment. Okay, thank you.